Adli Lewis, and I'm principal of Seaside Primary School, Portland, Region 2, Ministry of Education.
Principal, in recent time there has been some level of transformation as it relates to Seaside Primary, and that transformation entails installation of air conditioned units. Tell us about the process and how you got there.
So we have been transforming our classroom spaces over past couple of years. We, the school community, stakeholders, we have embarked on a mission to transform our classrooms into 21st century learning spaces. And when I say 21st century learning spaces, I mean in terms of technology, in terms of how you feel and how you learn, and even the very lessons that are taught in those places. So it started out with the technology where we introduced multimedia, laptops, Chromebooks. We would have done interviews with you in the past about that, and now we're at the point now where we're looking at the classroom environment, where how students feel, how teachers feel in the workspace, in the classroom space, and to make them more comfortable and make the environment more conducive to learning. So we have installed the AC units. It's a 3-year program that we have embarked on. We're in the phase 3, third year, where we started off first replacing the windows. Then the second year it was retrofitting the classrooms with the basically just closing out the spaces to make it suitable for air conditioning. And of course we're now at the final stage where we're actually installing the AC units.
You mentioned the classrooms. We know climate change has brought about many ravages, humid conditions, especially in classroom setting. How important is it for you to have made this step, and what is the success like?
So you would have mentioned climate change, and it is very, very much real. And what we have noticed that we have been recording very high temperatures in recent times. I remember when one point in June 2023, we had to vacate the very classrooms that we just visited a while ago because it was too hot on that day. I think it was a record day that the temperature was that went down into history as the hottest day recorded. Yes, and we had to vacate the classroom spaces. We had to send some of the classes to labs. We only have 2, so only 2 classes could go in the air-conditioned room at that time, and we saw the urgent need to really retrofit our classrooms with the equipment that will have a cooling system and be able to allow students to be in those spaces even if another hot day in history comes again. So